Nature's most perfect structure, hexagonal, golden, and dripping with sweetness. This is honeycomb, but how is it made? Today, we'll take you inside nature's own factory, where millions of bees work tirelessly to build, fill, and protect these edible masterpieces. Honeycomb is a wax structure made by honeybees. Each hexagonal cell serves a purpose, storing honey, pollen, or nurturing young bees. It's built entirely from beeswax, secreted by worker bees and crafted with precision that rivals human engineering. Worker bees produce tiny wax flakes from glands on their bodies. These flakes are chewed and molded into the honeycomb's iconic hexagonal shape. It all starts with nectar. Foraging bees travel miles to collect nectar from flowers, storing it in a special honey stomach. Back at the hive, the nectar is passed mouth to mouth between bees, reducing moisture content and mixing in natural enzymes. Once processed, the nectar is carefully deposited into honeycomb cells. To preserve the honey, bees fan their wings to evaporate water, thickening the nectar into golden honey. When a cell is full and the honey is ready, bees cap it with a delicate wax seal, a natural lid that keeps the honey fresh for months, even years. Harvesting honeycomb requires skill and care. Beekeepers use gentle smoking to calm the bees before carefully removing the hive frames. In raw honeycomb harvesting, the comb is cut directly from the frame, preserving the wax cells and honey together. This is pure, unprocessed, edible honeycomb. After cutting, the honeycomb is packed directly into containers with minimal handling, ensuring the product remains as natural as it was in the hive. While large-scale honey production often extracts liquid honey, specialty honeycomb products are handled with delicate machinery that cuts and packs comb sections without damaging the structure. These factories prioritize hygiene, precision cutting, and eco-friendly packaging, bringing raw honeycomb to gourmet stores worldwide. Honeycomb isn't just a beautiful structure, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. The wax is edible and the honey inside is untouched by processing, preserving all its natural enzymes, antioxidants, and flavors. Chefs and health enthusiasts love honeycomb for its raw, chewy texture and intense floral taste. Every bite is a direct connection to nature. From the buzzing bees crafting intricate wax structures to the final golden product on your plate, honeycomb is nature's original factory-made masterpiece, a symbol of precision, teamwork, and the sweet rewards of hard work.